Welcome to our YouTube video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating problem that many programmers encounter when working with signed and unsigned integers. The problem we are discussing involves a scenario where a colleague claims that an assignment from a signed integer to an unsigned integer may result in the unsigned integer being limited to a value of 0 instead of the expected value. It's a puzzling situation that raises questions about the behavior of integer conversions in C programming. Let's explore this intriguing problem further. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. In this specific case, we discovered that a potential cause of the unexpected behavior lies in the conversion of a float to an unsigned integer. The key insight here is the sequence of instructions involved in converting a float to a uint16_t. Visivity, the u32.f32, vmov, and ux. These instructions are crucial in handling the conversion process, especially when dealing with negative float values. Understanding how these instructions operate sheds light on why certain values may be truncated or set to 0 during conversion. To summarize, we have explored a puzzling problem related to integer conversions in C programming and uncovered a crucial piece of information regarding the conversion of floats to unsigned integers. By understanding the underlying instructions involved in the conversion process, we gain insights into why certain values may behave unexpectedly. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and valuable for your programming endeavors. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!